Love sabudana khichdi but somehow can't get it right? Does it turn mushy or completely unappetizing? Then today's post for you guys. Hi guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to the Priyanka's Cloud. So today I'm gonna show you how to make perfect non-sticky sabudana khichdi. It is also called sago pearls. Beautifully tender sago pearls coated with crunchy roasted peanuts and sauteed with potatoes using spices with generous squeeze of lemon. So without any further ado, let's get started guys.
Place sabudana in a bowl. Wash it with cold water until clear water appears. This takes off most of the starch and prevents sticking. Soak it by adding just enough water to cover them, just 1/4 inch more than sabudana level. Soak covered for 5 to 6 hours, preferably overnight. It will fluff up after soaking. Look here, after 6 hours, sabudana has doubled in size and it is not at all sticky. Drain off excess water, if any, before cooking, but you can see there is no water here. Let's do the smash test. Take one sabudana, mash it between your finger and thumb. It should squish easily. Check it's ready or not. It's ready. If not, let it sit for at least 2 hours and check it again. Now we are all set to make the khichdi. Here I took an iron wok and add 1/4 cup peanuts in 1 tablespoon oil. Roast the peanuts on medium-low heat with stirring constantly until peanuts get light brown in color. Let it cool down a little and transfer it on a plate. Divide it in equal 2 parts. Coarsely crush 1 part with the help of mortar and pestle. You can use a food processor or blender, but make sure to keep it coarse, not fine powder. And other half we will use as it is. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a same wok and stir fry 2 boiled potato cubes on a medium flame until tender, flipping it occasionally. Now add cumin seeds. Let them sizzle a bit. Now add ginger and curry leaves and cook for a minute more. Now add the soaked sabudana and coarsely crushed peanuts. Add slit green chilies, coriander leaves. Mix everything. Add rock salt and black pepper. Mix everything well and cook until the sabudana are a bit translucent and well coated. Keep stirring occasionally. Add the other half whole peanuts. Mix everything well. Squeeze the lemon juice and mix it everything well. At this stage, if you want to add sugar, you can add it. I'm not adding here. Now it's ready. Now I'm gonna transfer this into another bowl. Look at this, my sabudana khichdi is not sticky at all. Even wok is also clean. Serve it immediately with chilled yogurt.
This delicious dish is vegan and completely gluten free. It's very simple yet flavorful too. Must try. If you like it, please like it. If you love it, please subscribe it. Thanks for watching.